It's good to get our lips really moisturized because we need to get those lips moisturized. You know, when we talk, our lips talk. So just to get those lips moisturized, so lovely, yummy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video, guys. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a pink, soft, beautiful, moisturized lips this winter. So as you all know, guys, we're moving on to winter. This is when we tend to get our lips really dried, and guys, that's not cute at all. It's not cute. It's not something we want at all. So in order for us to avoid that and keep our lips really moisturized and get rid of the dead skin cell during the winter period, guys, if you know you're interested, this video is for you. First, I want to quickly appreciate my wonderful subscribers out there. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. If you're watching me for the first time, please take a moment, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this video to friends and family, hit the bell, guys, because that bell will notify you whenever I upload a new video. So guys, let's just get right into the video, guys. This is a lip scrub, and I'm going to be showing you how I get rid of the dead skin cell on my lips, and this is very, very effective. So guys, let's get right into the video. So guys, first thing you're going to be needing is a container just like this to store your mixture. I'm going to start by adding my sugar. I don't have a particular amount for this. Just go with any amount of sugar that is okay for you. You don't really need much. Next, I'm going to add my lemon, and this is just a little amount of lemon. And then I'll go on and add my honey. And next, I'm going to be adding my coconut oil. And then I'll give this a good stir. You make sure you stir this very, very well into a nice consistency. And there you have your lip scrub. And to apply this mixture, you're going to be needing a cotton pad. Just put a little amount of sugar scrub on your cotton pad and gently begin to use this to scrub your lips. And guys, you have to be very careful so you don't hurt yourself. You want to be extremely careful. And by doing this, you're getting rid of the dead skin cell on your lip. And this will help your lip gloss or your lipstick to come out really beautiful when applied. And once you're done, you want to get a wet towel to wipe this off. And as you can see that my lips has come out really pinkish and well moisturized. And next, you're going to be applying your favorite lip balm. You can use a Vaseline, whichever you like. And that is all, guys. That is just it. And now you have your well moisturized, pinkish, beautiful lips. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.
Let me go, filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into you.
Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye.